If you journeyed back 250 million years in time, you would find yourself witnessing the emergence of the first dinosaurs. A prominent hypothesis suggests that dinosaurs originated from a species called Archosaurus, which thrived during the late Permian period. To some observers, these creatures might bear a resemblance to dinosaurs, and that's because they are believed to be the ancestors of these remarkable beings. As time passed, the Archosaurus species underwent a divergence, resulting in two distinct groups. One of these branches eventually gave rise to crocodiles, while the other branch evolved into dinosaurs, branching into a multitude of diverse species. One noteworthy development in their evolutionary journey was the acquisition of bipedal capabilities. Early dinosaurs started walking on two legs, which allowed them to utilize their front limbs for various other functions. These changes marked just the beginning of their evolutionary path. Join us on a journey 250 million years into the past to explore the history of dinosaurs in a condensed 10-minute tour of the Triassic period. As you step into this ancient era, you'll observe that the dinosaurs inhabiting this time appear quite distinct from the ones you're familiar with today. It would be several more years before this transformation in size began to take place. As we progress through time, we'll monitor the growth in dinosaur size. However, for the moment, let's focus on Earth's changes. During the Triassic period, the supercontinent Pangaea commenced its gradual breakup, leading to significant shifts in global climates and ecosystems. This era was characterized by a generally hot and arid climate, with no polar ice caps in existence. This marked a stark departure from the conditions you're accustomed to on modern-day Earth. Vegetation during the Triassic period exhibited notable distinctions and played a pivotal role in the survival and evolution of dinosaurs. These ancient plants possessed diverse characteristics, ranging from toughness to nutritional value and even potential toxicity. Each of these plant types had a significant impact on the dietary choices and adaptive strategies of the creatures inhabiting this period. Various dinosaur species employed distinct survival strategies during this era. Now, let's explore the activities of some other dinosaurs from this period. One such dinosaur is the seal of faces, which stood at around 1 meter in height and weighed approximately 23 kilograms. Although slightly larger than the eagle raptor, it was still a swift and agile predator, likely preying on smaller animals. Moving on to the Herrerasaurus, it was slightly taller at approximately 1.1 meters, but its weight was significantly greater, coming in at around 350 kilograms. Then there's the Padillasaurus, a truly colossal creature. This behemoth reached towering heights of about 3 meters, and could tip the scales at an astonishing 4,000 kilograms. The Padillasaurus serves as one of the earliest illustrations of just how massive dinosaurs could become. But hold on, there were even larger creatures yet to be mentioned. Surprisingly, despite their remarkable size, dinosaurs were not the predominant beings in the Triassic period. They coexisted with numerous other organisms, all competing for survival within these diverse ecosystems. This remained the status quo until a significant extinction event marked the end of the Triassic period. The likely triggers for this event included extensive volcanic activity, shifts in climate patterns, and perhaps even a few minor asteroid impacts. These factors collectively had a profound impact on life on Earth, resulting in the extinction of numerous species. However, it wasn't all negative, particularly for our dinosaurs. This moment served as a turning point, presenting fresh opportunities for these species, eventually enabling them to become the dominant life forms on Earth as we entered the Jurassic period. During this period, dinosaurs didn't just endure, they truly flourished. Over countless millennia, various species underwent evolution, and dinosaurs emerged as the undisputed rulers of the planet. They extended their presence across continents, asserting dominance in both lush forests and arid deserts. This expansion led to the emergence of the massive dinosaurs that you're likely more familiar with today. We encounter the likes of the Stegosaurus, Brachiosaurus, and Allosaurus, which stand as some of the most colossal creatures to ever tread the Earth's surface. However, you'd swiftly realize that it wasn't solely these immense beings that inhabited this period. This era also witnessed the evolution of theropods, smaller dinosaurs exhibiting a more bird-like morphology. One of the most renowned examples is the Archaeopteryx, which could be likened to a fusion of a dinosaur and a bird. Sporting feathers, wings, bony teeth, and a tail, the Archaeopteryx occupied a pivotal position on the evolutionary spectrum, serving as a crucial link connecting birds and dinosaurs. If you're willing to wait approximately another 100 million years, these creatures will evolve into the familiar birds we recognize today. But wait, did I just drop a spoiler? Fast-forwarding 56 million years brings us to the Jurassic period. The conclusion of the Jurassic period marked the occurrence of yet another extinction event, albeit a relatively minor one. Nevertheless, driven by factors such as climate shifts, volcanic activity, and fluctuating sea levels, certain species faced extinction. These changes once more transformed the environment as dinosaurs entered their ultimate era, the Cretaceous period. Now that we've stepped into the Cretaceous period during our journey spanning millions of years, you might have noticed a notable absence, right? Well, one of the most iconic dinosaurs has yet to make its entrance. Allow me to introduce you to the Tyrannosaurus rex, or T-Rex for short. This colossal creature stood at an impressive height of 3.7 meters, measured a staggering 12 meters in length, and tipped the scales at a massive 9 tons. Armed with a formidable jaw and exceptionally sharp teeth, the T-Rex asserted its dominance over the Cretaceous realm, establishing itself as one of the foremost apex predators. This colossal creature ranks among the most formidable predators in the annals of history. It wasn't merely a scavenger relying on leftovers, instead it was an adept hunter, relying on keen eyesight and an acute sense of smell to stalk its prey. Among its preferred meals were substantial herbivores like the Edmontosaurus, but the T-Rex's appetite didn't end there. It would engage in battles against formidable adversaries such as the Triceratops, and when circumstances allowed, it wouldn't hesitate to confront smaller theropods. With its formidable weaponry of 12-inch teeth within its powerful jaws and robust hind limbs that enabled it to sprint at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour, the T-Rex was a consummate hunter. However, this epoch wasn't solely characterized by colossal creatures like the T-Rex. Observing the Cretaceous period, you'll also spot an abundance of feathered dinosaurs. Among them is the Velociraptor, a species often depicted without feathers, although evidence indicates that these creatures were actually quite feathered. These feathers weren't primarily for flight, but likely served functions related to warmth and stability. Next up is the Microraptor, distinct from the Velociraptor. Unlike its counterparts, its feathers were likely employed for flight, offering valuable insights into the evolutionary journey of birds. As mentioned earlier, the breakup of Pangaea and the formation of present-day continents were underway. Due to these geological transformations, certain dinosaurs found themselves compelled to adapt. They had to undergo migration and disperse into various regions across the globe, necessitating adaptations to their novel environments, which could potentially alter the trajectory of their evolution. However, all of these transformations pale in comparison to what unfolds next, the cataclysmic event. As you've been journeying alongside the dinosaurs for countless years, an asteroid has been steadily approaching Earth, and then, in an instant, it collides, resulting in the formation of an immense crater measuring 150 kilometers in width and 20 kilometers in depth. Predictably, an event of this magnitude inflicts a catastrophic influence on the planet, one that will leave an indelible mark on its course for all time. The repercussions of the asteroid's collision are profound and enduring, extending well beyond the immediate impact of the crash. As a consequence of this colossal collision, the environment undergoes profound transformations. Substantial reductions in temperature become evident, and the debris resulting from the impact obstructs sunlight. This has a detrimental effect not only on the health of dinosaurs, but also on their sources of sustenance. The devastating event leads to the extinction of 75% of Earth's species, a substantial portion of which comprises dinosaurs. We've been witnessing these events throughout, and there's a silver lining. Not all dinosaurs faced extinction. The dinosaurs with avian characteristics we previously discussed managed to endure the asteroid impact, eventually evolving into birds in the aftermath. With the majority of dinosaurs now extinct, it has paved the way for mammals to diversify and extend their influence on the planet. With reduced competition, early mammals found the opportunity to prosper and gradually pave the way for human evolution. As they thrived and diversified, they played a pivotal role in shaping the world as we recognize it today. Meanwhile, dinosaurs continued to evolve for another 165 million years. However, there remains much to uncover about these ancient creatures. For instance, it's intriguing to note that not all dinosaurs were necessarily cold-blooded. Some might have been warm-blooded or even exhibited characteristics of both. But that's a tale for another time. Your thoughts matter. Is there something we might have overlooked? Share your insights in the comments section, explore additional content from Off the Grid Seeker, and be sure to subscribe and activate notifications to stay updated with our newest releases.